Hey, it's Dr. Mac. Today we're actually treating a female patient. It's an interesting case. She was diagnosed with trichotillomania. Trichotillomania is a compulsive disorder that subconsciously people pull their hair, and this is very difficult to control. And most of the time, people are able to control it eventually. However, because she was a child when she was diagnosed with this condition, she destroyed a lot of hair follicles by pulling them. She damaged a big area, including mid-scalp and the crown area. Now she is 69 years old, and today we are working on restoring at least part of this area of the hair loss. Women, we cannot approach the same way because most of the time women will not agree to shave the entire area. So the way it's done is I create a little zone that tuck one on another with the gaps in between. So when the hair is released, it's absolutely undetectable. Patient also see the treatment with our newest edition. It's a fractional laser designed for hair restorations, and it helps to create little coagulative lesions, and they release growth factors over time. So her recipient area was pre-treated with fractional laser in anticipation for implantation into this area. Anyway, it was Dr. Max. We're going to start with implantation using this high power microscope. Cheers.